Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options here and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, Nifty definitely was way bullish than Bank Nifty, but definitely Bank Nifty also showing some signs of bearishness, but Nifty not really showing any signs of bearishness, right? Nifty, opened flat and just started moving up, right? And as I said, above this level, and if you see, there was momentum, but there was a very, kind of a volatile momentum. There wasn't a one-sided momentum like this. So anyways, what can we expect for tomorrow? Again, tomorrow is also the Fin Nifty expiry. So will things be volatile or something, right? First of all, talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, right, Bank Nifty saw some sort of a sell-off. There was definitely a lot of volatility, if you see, right? Like there was a continuous up move, then a down move, up move, down move, up move, down move, and just see the swings, right? So definitely it was a very hard day to trade. Even I traded I was looking to short puts, but again I did short puts, but again my SL was hit, right? Because it was just a very volatile market today, right? So what can we expect for tomorrow? Again, very simple. Over here, if you see, right, Bank Nifty is not really seeing very fast sell off, right? Whenever you see a sell off, it has to be fast, right? Because a real sell off is always fast. Something like this, right? If you do not see some sort of a sell off like this, that means it is just a normal profit booking, and most probably we will see an up move from here, right? So again, above today's high, that is 43,000, 44,025, is where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade for tomorrow till 44,200 at least, right? But I think if we go above this, we can see a very, very, very trending market till at least 44,500. But yeah, tomorrow, if we go above 44,025 and just sustain there for 5 minutes, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Your target should be 44,500, but you can start booking at 44,200 also. Start partially booking your trades at 44,200. On the downside, very simple. We now have a swing of 44,700, but over here we will not go very aggressive, right? Because there are multiple supports on the downside. So until unless we break these supports very firmly with price action, we will not sell aggressively. So tomorrow below 43,710 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade. This could be a very small kind of a very short trade where you just give kind of a 50-point stop loss, and you aim till 43,600 on the downside, right? Because this is the zone from where we can see buyers again coming in and taking the market up, right? So keep your quantity low and just keep booking profits on the downside, because something like this may happen where Bank Nifty may break down and recover instantly, right? So yeah, again, keep your stop loss small, because if selling has to happen, it will happen fast, or else your small stop loss will get hit, and keep your quantity low. On the downside, if you open with a gap down, wait for buyers to first try to take the market up. What I'm trying to say is wait for buyers to kind of make a low and then let Bank Nifty go up a little bit, and once Bank Nifty again breaks that low, then go ahead and take a trade. Until then, do not take a trade, because what could happen is that we open at 43,550, 500 or 43,600 and just recover instantly, right? And you may think, oh, the market has opened with a gap down, let me just short at the opening itself, I'll get a very good trade, right? But what happens is that if we open at these support zones, right, a lot of sellers who would have kept their targets at say 43,600, 550, they will start booking their profits, and a lot of buyers who are waiting to enter the market at lower levels, now they are getting a place to enter, because of which there is a very good buying sometimes at the open itself. So do not do that. Wait for the buyers to first take the market up. If we again go down and break that low, only then go ahead and take a bearish trade, and then you can aim for good levels till at least 43,400 or 43,200 on the downside, right? Again, on the upside, if you open with a gap up, say somewhere near 44,000, 44,050, 44,100 maybe, wait for the market to again make a high. And once the market comes down a little bit and then breaks that high on the upside, then go ahead and take a trade. It's okay even if market makes a high at 44,150, because still if you take a trade over here, right, you still are getting a target of 44,500, which will be good 300, 350 points, right? So really, do not rush into a trade. wait for some time, wait for the markets to react to certain zones on the chart, right? Once the market finds out that, okay, this is the place where all the sellers are standing, this is the place where all the buyers are standing, your life will be much more easier and you will be able to trade even, you'll be able to trade better, is what I'm trying to say. Talking about Nifty, right? Nifty definitely is way more bullish. So what you can do in Nifty is very simple, right? Tomorrow above 18,320 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade in Nifty. If you are holding a bullish position from today itself, it's all right. Just keep your stop loss below 18,250, right? Trail your stop loss or whatever till below 18,250, because if we go below 18,250 tomorrow, we could see a little bit of sell off till 18,200 and then maybe a recovery, right? So again, if we open with say some sort of a gap down near 18,250 and all these levels, then is what I'm talking about, that we could see a little bit of sell off till this zone of 18,210 to 18,200, right? And after which maybe we could recover, right? Again, if you open flat and cross 18,320, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. Your first target becomes this place from where the sell-off has started, which is 18,370 on the upside, right? And your second target becomes 18,410 from the upside, because this is the place from where again a selling has started, right? So these two will be the resistances that you need to watch out for if you are taking a bullish trade, and they can also be your target very easy. Again, if you open with a gap up in Nifty, also wait for Nifty to come down a little bit, and once Nifty again breaks that high, the high that I made in the morning, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Do not rush instantly to take a trade in Nifty at the open or anywhere else also, right? So yeah, that was for Nifty. Now talking about Fin Nifty, because Fin Nifty is at a very interesting place. I'm going to show you guys. If you see, right, Fin Nifty has this sort of a trend line coming here on the upside. If you see, I'm just going to go ahead and make it. Yeah, Fin Nifty has this trend line on the upside that's coming from the upside, and on the downside also we have a trend line going on over here, right? So these two places are where you should focus on, these two trend lines, right? These two trend lines. If we go above 19,420 tomorrow after opening flat, do not hesitate to buy. You can easily get a momentum till 19,500 to 520, because there is pretty much Fin Nifty will do a very clear 100 points momentum till 19,520 over here, because there is really not a lot of resistance until 520 to 550 levels on the upside, right? On the downside, again, if we go below 19,320, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade, but do not keep big quantity, because there are again zones on the downside, support zones on the downside. There is 19,280 to 270, then there is 19,200 to 220 and all these levels. So what you can do is you can go ahead and take small quantity of your bearish trade and hold it until the trend bends, right? So if you get maybe 270 to 280, you can book partial quantity and let the rest of the quantity hold till 19,200 to 220, right? Because what could happen is that we could break down from here, we could go down a little bit till 280 and reverse again, right? Because from here things could again go on the bullish side, right? So do not keep your quantity big on the selling side as of now, right? If the trend bends, as I said in my weekly analysis video also, you will get to know that in every day's analysis video, right? So do not rush to just catch the exact top of the sell off or whatever, right? You can get a lot more points even if one day the market falls, right? There is definitely another day that's coming. So do not rush on to taking every single trade, or do not rush on to catching the start of a big trend, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video, and bye bye.